What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to play games on your terminal by typing a few commands. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, first of all, you got to type cd space / user usr and then share and then emacs and then slash, it's already done, and then semicolon and then ls to see what's available. Okay, after that you need to type in ls / user again, share again, and then emacs again, and then like you saw 2.1, and then lisp yep, and then play. Okay, now you see all the games that you can play. After this you gotta type emacs, so okay, so now to get out of this you need to do escape X and now type the game name. So if I type Snake, and there we go, we're playing Snake. Just from the terminal. This is amazing. Okay, I'll get out of that. If we want to play Tetris, we can. Emacs again. Escape X Tetris. Emacs again, we'll play Pong. Escape X. There you go. I still need to figure a way out how we can do 2 players on this, but you guys get the picture. That's how you play games on your Mac, by typing in a couple of commands on your terminal. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.